Hey everybody, I'm here to share with you this travel set. This was provided to me so I could show it to you. And first of all, it starts off with this great little roller bag. It comes in a lot of different colors. I happen to love the orange because it's a little more unique. Let me measure it for you. It is approved as a carry-on, but just so that you know, it is, let's see, 21 inches to the bottom of the wheels. It is 8 inches wide, and it is 13 inches across. So it should fit in any overhead bin. Got a side handle as well as a top handle and the roller handle, 4 wheels. And it does have a lock on the side that you can set. Maybe I'll set that later. But first I want to show you what else this set includes. So when we open it up, there's some surprises. So of course it has the one section that is zip closed. I usually use this side for like my underwear and socks, and then I can zip it. And then there's this outer pocket here that I usually use for my dirty clothes until I have too much dirty clothes. But the real good surprise is on this side. So it also comes with a matching backpack. Backpack has shoulder straps that are padded, and it has the straps so you can put it over the handle while you're walking around in the airport. It has a case inside a padded section for your computer, and it also comes with a little ditty bag. So I am gonna pack some stuff up and we'll see how everything fits. Now let's talk about how to set the code. So it comes set at 000. So it says to set your 3 wheels to 000. And then you're gonna hit the reset button and you'll hear it click. I actually already did that. I'm just using an earring, but you can use anything small and you will hear it click. Everything like pops. Then you set these buttons to your new code. So I am going to set it to 1, 2, 3. I'm not very creative here. After you set it to your new code, push this lock button toward the direction of the arrow. So you're pushing it in until you hear the click on the reset button again. And there was the click. So the reset button is back, and I can see that that button is back. It was like pushed in, and now it's back to being flush. And so now the code is set. So when you want to lock, you just put your zippers in there, and then you mix up the numbers, and voila, it is locked. Now you can't unzip it until you put in the code. And so let's do the code. 1, 2, 3, and now I push and you can see it opens. So works perfectly.